K-beauty is taking over the world. Glass skin, BB creams, and viral serums. But behind every viral product is a maze of manufacturing and compliance challenges. For brands looking to develop and launch K-beauty products, South Korea sets the gold standard in cosmetics innovation, but with high innovation comes high complexity. That's where South Korean OEM Consulting comes in, your expert partner, from idea to global launch. OEM consultants can help you with 1. R&D and formulation to develop and manufacture custom and white label formulas which are tested and safe. 2. Full process guidance from A to Z. 3. Regulatory standards to meet local regulatory requirements with ease. 4. Packaging and labeling support to deliver compliant and on-brand compliant packaging and labeling with label translations and verified claims. 5. They can support you with export and documentation with seamless paperwork that is ready for markets. In the beauty industry, compliance is non-negotiable. It's the key to your global market access. Want to launch your K-beauty brand with confidence? Freyr guides you from concept to global shelf. Partner with Freyr and turn your K-beauty vision into a global success.